Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to transfer money from Instagram to your bank account. It's important to differentiate between a few ways money might be involved with Instagram. You see, for those who earn money on Instagram, they use the Instagram creator tools. So if you're a creator earning money through Instagram monetization features like in-stream video ads or bonuses, you manage payouts through professional dashboard. Now how? You have to set up your payouts. Within your professional dashboard, you'll find a section for payouts. Here, you have to link your bank account or other supported payment method. You likely need to provide tax information as required by your local laws. Then, Instagram, we have a set payout schedule. Earnings will then be deposited directly into your linked bank account. It's very important to note that the settings and menus can change as Instagram updates their platform. Always rely on the information provided within the Instagram application itself. If you're a business selling products on Instagram shopping, payouts are handled through the commerce platform you're connected to Instagram. The commerce platform you have connected to Instagram, this could be Facebook Shops or other e-commerce platforms. In these cases, you manage payouts through the settings of that connected platform. When it comes to person, while Instagram itself does not offer direct person-to-person money transfer in the same way some other apps do, it is tied to Meta Pay. Therefore, any person-to-person payment will be handled via Meta Pay, which will then be linked to your payment method. Here are some key considerations. If you're a content creator, the professional dashboard is where you manage your payments. If you are selling items on Instagram, the connected e-commerce platform will handle payments. MetaPay is a system that handles person-to-person payments, that is P2P. Always be cautious of scams. Never provide your bank details to untrusted sources. Always refer to the official Instagram Help Center for the most accurate and current information. I hope this helps clarify how money gets transferred from Instagram to your bank account.